For number 9, find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for number 9, y equals to x raised to the power of e raised to the power of x. So take note that if we are in this having a term in the exponent, we will apply both sides to its natural logarithm. So ln y is equal to ln x e raised to the power of x. So take note that ln of a raised to the power of b is equals to b ln of a. And the derivative of e raised to the power of u is equals to eu du over dx. So let's take note of that one. So we have ln of y is equals to, so a here is equals to x and b is equals to e raised to the power of x. So we have b, so e raised to the power of x. So ln of a, so a is equals to x. So we'll now have its first derivative. So 1 over u. So ln u. So we'll have 1 over y prime is equals to, just copy first, e raised of x, so derivative of ln x equals to 1 over x, derivative of x equals to 1, plus ln of x, derivative of e raised of x, just equals to e raised of x. So we have y prime all over y is equals to e raised of x all over x plus e raised of x ln of x. So we'll have its close bracket. So we have y prime is equals to y multiplied by e raised of x all over x plus e raised of x ln of x. So take note that y in the example in the problem is equals to x raised of e raised of x. So we have x raised of e raised to the power of x. So we have y prime is equals to x raised of e raised of x. So we'll now factor out e raised of x. So e raised of x times so we'll just simply combine these two terms inside first. So we have e raised of x plus x e raised of x ln of x. So we'll now simplify. So factor out, just copy. So factor out e raised of x. So we have 1 plus x ln of x. So all over x. So we will now combine this having the same base. So we have x raised of e raised of x all over x. So multiply by e raised of x times 1 plus x ln of x. So for this one, x raised of a all over x raised of b is equals to x a minus b. So we have y prime is equals to e raised of x times x raised of e raised of x minus 1 times 1 plus x ln of x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Ex times x raised to ex minus 1. So ex times x raised to ex minus 1 times 1 plus x ln x times 1 plus x ln x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.